So how do you heal with with those wounds that happen to you, or on your soul, or on your emotion, or on your self-esteem, because of what happened during your childhood in terms of physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional abuse, or neglect? So in order to, lot of time people think, with passage of time, these things will get better. But what I have learned with my training, that, yes, over time, these wounds will get better in a way that they become scarred. And what is one characteristic of the scar tissue is, the scar tissue is inflexible, hard, and very rigid. And I have met so many times, so many people, who have experienced this trauma in their childhood, have not been healed, but let the time scarred those wounds, and they have this, big, what I would say, thick boundary, in front of them. Sometimes they act as very rigid, very stiff. They have very hard rules in terms of their parenting, in terms of their interaction with their colleagues or as a supervisor. So it's very important that, if you have had those experiences in your childhood, which are not uncommon, so it's very important to get proper psychological help so that you can get healed, not scarred.